it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is Stitch Fix unboxing and try on number 26. If you hear something in the background, Cash is eating a bone right down here. Also, before I get into it, I'm wearing a different foundation. I'm not sure if the color is right for me. It's this CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I did a first impression on this probably last summer. Wore it, loved it, and then winter rolled around. I was too pale. It didn't work for me. So now that I've got a little bit of color, I'm going to go and try it again and see if I love it just as much. I think that it might be a little bit light for me. So yeah. I don't know. I like it so far. I wore it the other day and really liked it. I got a lot of compliments on it. So we'll see. This go round, I requested a different stylist. The last few boxes, maybe the last 6 boxes or so I've gotten, haven't really been my style or my taste, but I've kept the same stylist because I feel like it may take a minute for that person to kind of understand what you want. But this last time I thought, no, I'm going to ask for a different stylist and we'll see how it works out. And I am so glad that I did. This box, maybe a 5 out of 5. So my stylist this month, or this box, her name is Julia. I get 2 boxes a month if you haven't noticed yet. So I do it every 2 weeks. So Julia is my stylist this go round. She also mentioned that she had watched my last video and I really like that. I think it gives my stylist the chance to see what they picked out and how it fits on my body. She also mentioned too, last month I had a pair of beautiful linen pants in a size 1X that were too small and I was kind of confused why they sent them to me. And she actually mentioned that on my profile, I have my bottom set to a size 20, which is a size 1X by their standards. So I need to go in and size up. That way when they send me pants like that again, I get the proper size. I'm not going to read you the note from Julia because we're not going to get into all that. We're just going to get straight into the clothes because I've already said this box is most likely a 5 out of 5. First thing I'm going to show you is a pair of denim shorts. These are the Vigos brand in a size 20 mid-rise. They fit maybe a half an inch to an inch below my belly button. They are cuffed at the bottom and it is attached on the sides, though it's not attached in the front or the back, which I've mentioned before in other videos when I've gotten shorts like this, that I can just put some fabric tape there to kind of hold it in place. All right, these are a great length. They fit perfect. I mean, this is like a perfect short for me. The only thing, I just kept a pair of shorts extremely similar to this cut from the cloth from Fashion, I'm pretty sure. So my only thing is, do I really need them? Though I'm pretty sure those cut from the cloth ones had no distressing on them. And these do have a little bit of distressing. You can tell right there near the pockets. These are really cute. I like them. These are called the Vigos Cassie Distress Frayed Cut Denim. Indigo is the color, 48 bucks. So not a bad price. All right, now let's move on to tops. This is from the brand Hiatus in a size 2X. It says Dream On Dreamer. This might be one of the softest shirts that I've ever felt. The fabric is just, it's amazing. And for those of y'all wondering out there, it is 87% polyester, 10% rayon, and 3% spandex. And it's really soft. This is cute. I thought that this would be my favorite thing in the box, and you'll see what actually is. But I specifically requested a top that my friend Melissa got in her box last month, and it was this same fit, but it just said happy on the pocket in red, and I thought it was really cute. So I specifically asked for that top. I guess they didn't have it in stock because this is the one that came instead, and I'm not mad at it. I like it. I don't know if it's really my style, the writing on the front, but I do like it. Oh, before I tell you the price, the only thing that like kind of bothers me about this is the tag, and the bottom of the tag is not tacked down. So the top is, but the bottom like flaps. Why? Why would you not just tack it down on all fours? This is called the Analis Graphic Knit Tee in Navy, size 2X. It's $34. Next up we have is Papermoon in a size 3X. Just this white. Okay, so last month I got a top from Papermoon, I think. No, it was a different brand, but it was a very similar top. And it was too small. And so Julie made a note that she sized up in this one for me because that one was a little small. And this is perfect. This, if I didn't say it's in a size 3X, it's called the Fayette Mixed Material Blouse. And it's just this beautiful white sleeveless little V-neck top. You can't see through it, and you would think that you would be able to because it's such a clean white, but you can't. This fit absolutely perfect as well. It was a little bit wide in the armpit area, but not wide enough to see my bra. So just remember that. This one is $38. All right, this next piece, I'll be honest, I was a little annoyed that it was in my box. It's a cardigan, and I thought, it's summertime, why would I get a cardigan? I don't need one. Okay. I love it. This beautiful orange color cardigan, it's the brand Laila Jade. In a size 2X, it's called the Salderas Hooded Cardigan. The color number 1 is gorgeous. It actually has a hood on it, and it has pockets. It's lightweight, though not thin, if that makes sense. I paired this with the shorts and the white tank top, and it is such a cute outfit. I have a pair of shoes in here too that are even better with that outfit. So yeah, this actually really surprised me. It fits great. It feels great. It's a soft material. It's 62% polyester, 32% rayon, and 6% spandex. And I just fell in love with it. It would be great for evenings, like date night type nights, because you could just throw this on if it gets a little chilly. And it's pretty. They call this color coral. I say it's more of a burnt orange, but it is $64. And the very last thing in my box are these super cute wedges. These are from Lucky Brand. I love this like pattern and color down here. It's black, orange, and white. Yes, black, orange, and white. The inside is like a tan camel color. These are in a size 9.5. They fit absolutely perfect. These are the cutest like wedges. I have a thing for wedges. I feel like they're so much easier to walk in, and I don't feel like I'm like toppling over a little bit like when I do wear those like super skinny heels. So wedges are just easier for me to walk in. There's dog hair. I love these. I paired these with the shorts, the white tank, and the orange cardigan, and I'm telling you, this outfit is adorable. This would be perfect for like a lunch date. You could even wear it out to dinner at night, I think is okay, because the wedge does make it a little bit dressier. These, I'm in love with these. So these are called the Yarosan leather wedge. 9.5, camel is the color. $89. So these are the most expensive thing in my box. 89 bucks. So the total for everything in my box is $273. If you keep everything from your Stitch Fix box, you get 25% off. That takes away $60.25, bringing my total to $204.75. I have $12 in credit. I'm not really sure where that came from. So the total for my box is $192.75. I actually joined the $49 yearly thing that Stitch Fix offers. So instead of paying $20 for every single box, they call it the Style Pass. 49 bucks, 1 year of free styles. I mean, obviously you still pay for what you keep. So that's what I am a member of. So I don't pay that $20 a month or $20 a box every time a stylist puts one together for me. So $192 I don't think is a bad price at all for wedges, a pair of shorts, 2 tops, and a cardigan. And these are pieces that I know that I would wear, that I'm very comfortable in. It's not anything that's like out of my comfort zone that I'm gonna buy and it's gonna sit in my closet for 3 months before I even remember it's there or decide to try and wear it somewhere. So I think that's why I'm kind of leaning towards keeping everything, because I know that I'll wear it all. So that is a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching it. And Julie, if you are watching this video, girl, you hit the nail on the head. As always, I will leave a direct link to sign up for Stitch Fix in the description box. That's a wrap. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.